Unearthing the Meaning, Dirt Poor. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might come across in various English contexts. Dirt poor. Let's get to the root of what it means and how you can use it. Dirt poor is made up of two words, dirt and poor. Individually, dirt typically refers to loose soil or earth, and poor denotes a lack of wealth or resources. When combined, the phrase paints a vivid picture of someone who might only have dirt to their name. Dirt poor is an idiomatic expression that describes someone who is extremely poor or lacking material wealth. Imagine being so poor that all you have is the dirt beneath your feet. That's the level of poverty this phrase conveys. It's a way to emphasize the severity of one's financial situation. To better understand, let's look at a few example sentences. 1. Growing up, her family was dirt poor, but she managed to build a successful career through sheer determination. 2. Many regions in the country remain dirt poor, despite the nation's economic progress. 3. He might dress simply, but don't let that fool you. He's far from dirt poor. English is rich with idioms, and there are other phrases that convey a similar idea. Penniless, completely without money. Down and out, lacking money and, often, a place to live. On the breadline, having just enough money to survive. It's essential to note that while these expressions describe a lack of wealth, they should be used sensitively, especially when discussing real-life situations, as they can be emotive. There you have it. The phrase, dirt poor, paints a vivid image of severe poverty, and understanding such idioms will help you navigate the rich landscape of the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and growing.